and thank you so much for joining us. This is meteorologist Eric Tolman with an update on our thunderstorm activity. You can actually see that the thunderstorms are beginning to develop quite rapidly. We did have the cluster developing towards the Armada area, and you can see that cluster. We're going to actually zoom in here so you can see what's going on, and these thunderstorms are developing. They will continue to develop, and we will probably see some strong storms that could reach severe limits. So we're watching that very closely as these thunderstorms continue to develop. So there are going to be clusters. So just be on the lookout for that. So we're going to move over here and we're going to look here, and you can see over in the Dayton area, Almont area, you can see there are thunderstorms developing over there. Leonard area, Lake Orion, you have rain moving through there, but the thunderstorms are actually moving past your area. I'm sorry, I'm trying to zoom in here so I can show you specifically what's going on. So we're going to go ahead and move onward and up here so you can see what's going on. So people that are like in Emily City, K-Pac, Emmett, you need to be on the lookout for thunderstorms to be moving in your area. I'm not exactly quite sure when the timing of that is going to happen, but you can see that these thunderstorms are developing quite rapidly. And about 10 minutes ago, it was just a little cluster of thunderstorms that began to develop north of M59 in the Armada area, and you can see that line of thunderstorms are actually passing on through, but we have another line of thunderstorms that could become severe. It's actually developing in the Romeo, Washington area, and they are moving quite rapidly, and those thunderstorms are very close to the Almont area as well. So we'll continue to watch these thunderstorms develop. So all areas, including Armada, Memphis, Columbus, Richmond, New Haven, just about everybody in the metro area needs to be on full alert for these thunderstorms. And the reason why I am concerned about that, because these thunderstorms will have the potential of damaging winds up to 60 miles per hour. So with that being said, you want to be on full alert because these thunderstorms are going to be rolling in here, and they will be developing fast and moving about 30 miles per hour. So once again, they will have damaging winds up to 60 miles per hour. There is not going to be a severe weather watch, but we're kind of checking the status every couple of minutes, and the weather continues to change. But you can see the storms are really starting to intensify, and the Metro Detroit area, and we have a big cluster of them, so we'll continue to watch, and we will give you frequent updates for the remainder of the rest of the evening. We do expect the thunderstorm development to be out of here around 8 o'clock, so we'll just have to watch the timing of this and see what's going on, because we have been watching the thunderstorm development, and the timing of this is just kind of really interesting. So I'll have another update coming up. So I will have this posted on Twitter, so you want to stay tuned for that. I will give you frequent updates when I receive them. And I will continue to track the thunderstorm development as we go into the evening. So I'll have another update as soon as possible, but there is a cluster of thunderstorms that are moving towards the east, the Memphis, Richmond area, the Columbus area. I'm going to zoom in here so you can see specifically what's going on. Now that one cluster of thunderstorms began to develop in the Armada area, that is going towards the east, and it's going towards the Memphis area, Richmond area, and it will be headed towards the Columbus area. So I'm going to zoom in here a little bit more so you can see what's going on. We're going to be doing, we're going to extend our newscast, since that thunderstorms are developing in southeast Michigan and our Metro Detroit area. So this is going to be quite interesting. So all areas need to be on alert, and if you do see that the weather is threatening, take cover until all storms have passed. I'll have another update update within the next 15-25 minutes, so please stay tuned for all up-to-date information, and we will keep you advised. If we do get any severe thunderstorm warnings, we will let you know, but currently at this time, we're not seeing any severe thunderstorm warnings at this time. We just see clusters of thunderstorms developing, so kind of be on guard for severe weather to be moving in the metro Detroit area. And let's give the computer models just a moment, and you can actually see that these thunderstorms are really starting to blow up in intensity here. We're watching that very closely. They're like scattered here and there. So generally the one cluster I said started to develop towards Armada, and now we're starting to see that a lot of the action is scattered. So we'll see isolated severe thunderstorms, but we're not really expecting widespread severe weather. So we'll let you know how long these storms are going to be around the area, and I'll have an update as soon as possible. Thank you.